Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to turn off quick share on any Android phone. Now to do that, first of all, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then in the search bar, just search quick share. And from here, just select quick share. Now on this page, just go to quick share. And from here, you will open the quick share settings on your smartphone. And after that, you will find the option of who can share with you. Just tap on it. Now to turn off quick share, just disable the toggle of visible to nearby devices. Now some Android phones does not have this option, like our smartphone right here. We don't have the option to turn off visible to nearby devices. Now to turn off quick share on this smartphone, just select no one. Now just tap on done. Now if you open the control center, you can see that we have successfully disabled quick share on our smartphone. But if your Android phone has the option to disable visible to nearby devices, just disable that toggle to disable quick share on your smartphone. And this is how you can turn off quick share on any Android phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.